Dogs are incredible animals. The love they bring us is one of a kind, and the truth is, our dogs are more than just pets. They're amazing creatures with abilities and characteristics that will leave us in awe. But what if I told you that some facts would make your jaw drop? Well, in this video, we'll break down 25 surprising dog facts that you probably didn't know. These facts will amaze you and will change the way you see them. And make sure to stick around because the last few facts will definitely shock you. Ready to get started? Let's go. Fact number 25. Dogs can help their owners live longer. Owning a dog can have a positive impact on human health and longevity. Numerous studies have shown that dog owners tend to live longer and have improved overall well-being. Dogs' companionship and emotional support can reduce stress, anxiety, and loneliness. This, in turn, can lead to lower blood pressure, improved cardiovascular health, and a stronger immune system. Dog owners often engage in more physical activity due to daily walks and playtime, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Additionally, the strong bond between a dog and their owner can offer a sense of purpose and happiness, which can contribute to a longer and more fulfilling life. Fact number 24. Dogs can smell 1,000 times better than humans. To truly grasp the incredible sense of smell that dogs possess, it's helpful to understand just how much more sensitive their noses are compared to ours. On average, a dog's sense of smell is approximately 10,000 to 100,000 times more powerful than ours. This means that while we might pick up a faint whiff of something, a dog can detect the same scent in great detail. To put this into perspective, think about a teaspoon of sugar dissolved in 1,000,000 gallons of water. A dog can easily smell and distinguish that teaspoon of sugar in such a vast quantity of water. This extraordinary ability is due to the complex structure of a dog's nose. Their nasal passages have over 220 million scent receptors, while humans have 5 to 6 million. Also, the part of a dog's brain that processes smells is also much larger than ours. Fact number 23. Dogs dream like humans. Dogs experience a sleep phase known as REM, or rapid eye movement sleep, which is a strong indicator that they have dreams. During REM sleep, their brains show activity similar to what we experience when we dream. You might notice your dog twitching, moving their paws, or even making soft sounds while they're asleep. These are signs that they are in a dream. Studies have shown that dogs may dream about everyday activities like playing fetch or chasing their tails. Now real quick, before we move to fact number 22, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss a new video from us, and also make sure to hit the like button. Fact number 22. Dogs can hear 4 times better than us. While our human ears can detect sounds up to 20,000 hertz, dogs can hear frequencies as high as 65,000 hertz. This means they can pick up sounds that are completely undetectable to us. This heightened sense of hearing serves various purposes for dogs. For example, in the wild, it helps them hear the subtle movement of prey or potential threats. Even as pets, dogs might hear a distant doorbell ring or a squirrel rustling in the leaves long before we do. Their amazing hearing also contributes to their extraordinary communication skills, allowing them to pick up on subtle vocal cues and even the tone of our voice to understand our emotions. Fact number 21. There are over 340 different dog breeds. The world of dogs is incredibly diverse, boasting over 340 different breeds recognized by various kennel clubs around the globe. Each breed comes with its unique set of characteristics, appearance, and temperament, from tiny Chihuahuas to massive Great Danes, and from energetic Border Collies to laid-back Basset Hounds. The sheer variety of dog breeds is astonishing. Dogs are bred for specific purposes, whether it's herding, hunting, guarding, or simply being a loving companion. Fact number 20. Dogs have unique nose fingerprints. Just like humans have unique fingerprints, dogs have their version of a fingerprint on their nose. This concept might sound surprising, but it's true. The pattern of ridges and creases on a dog's nose are distinct to each individual dog. This uniqueness can be used to identify them, much like a human fingerprint. This fact is fascinating because it showcases the complex details of a dog's biology and the remarkable differences that make each dog one of a kind. Fact number 19. Dogs understand human emotions. You might have noticed that your dog always seems to know when you're happy, sad, or even just having a bad day. It's not a coincidence. Dogs have an incredible ability to understand human emotions. Dogs can read human facial expressions and body language with surprising accuracy. When you're happy, your dog may respond with wagging tails and playful jumps, or they might approach you cautiously if they sense you're upset or anxious. For instance, if you're feeling cheerful and you smile at your dog, they'll likely pick up on your positive vibes and respond with tail wags and excitement. Also, if you're feeling down and your body language reflects it, your dog might snuggle up to you or offer comforting gestures. Fact number 18. Dogs have 3 eyelids. This triple-layered eye protection system serves various functions. First, there is the upper eyelid, which is similar to what we humans have. It opens and closes in a familiar way. Second, there's the lower eyelid, which functions like the upper one, providing additional protection to the eye. But what makes dogs stand out is the third eyelid, known as the nictitating membrane. This membrane is situated in the inner corner of the eye and can move across the eye's surface. It serves as an extra layer of protection by moistening and clearing the eye. In cases of irritation or injury, this eyelid can also help shield and heal the eye. Fact number 17. Dogs' communication through cues. Dogs communicate through a combination of barking, body language, and facial expressions. Understanding these cues is vital for building a strong bond with your dog and ensuring their well-being. For instance, a wagging tail can signify excitement, happiness, or even fear, depending on which way the tail is wagging. A tucked tail might indicate fear or submission. Barking is another crucial part of their communication. The pitch, intensity, and duration of barks can convey different messages. A rapid series of short barks might mean they're excited, while a long, low growl could signal aggression or discomfort. Fact number 16. Dogs can sense time. Ever noticed how your dog seems to know when it's time for meals or walks, almost down to the minute? That's because dogs have a strong sense of time. They pick up on patterns and routines in their daily lives, whether it's the sound of your alarm in the morning or the evening rustle of the treat bag. Dogs are quick to recognize these cues and anticipate what's coming next. This ability is rooted in their keen sense of observation and their desire for structure and routine. It's one of the reasons why dogs often become such integral parts of our lives, seamlessly fitting into our daily schedules. Fact number 15. Dogs can be left-pawed or right-pawed. Just like humans being left or right-handed, dogs can also exhibit a preference for one paw over the other. This phenomenon is known as lateralization. Some dogs are left-pawed, meaning that they favor their left paw for tasks like reaching for objects or pawing at things. Others might be right-pawed, showing a preference for their right paw. This behavior suggests that dogs, like humans, have a dominant side that they naturally gravitate towards. Fact number 14. Petting a dog can lower your blood pressure. Petting a dog has a range of positive effects on our well-being, and one fascinating aspect is its impact on blood pressure. Studies have shown that petting a dog can lead to a noticeable reduction in blood pressure. When we pet a dog, our bodies release oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, which can promote feelings of relaxation and reduce stress. This hormonal response is not only enjoyable, but also contributes to overall cardiovascular health. This fact highlights the therapeutic benefits of the human-dog bond, demonstrating that spending time with our furry friends can have a measurable positive impact on our physical health. Fact number 13. Male dogs lift their legs when they pee as a sign of dominance. One interesting behavior by male dogs when urinating is lifting their leg up. This behavior is often viewed as a sign of dominance and territory marking. Male dogs can make their pee go higher by lifting their leg, making their scent mark more noticeable. This communicates information to other dogs about their presence, territory boundaries, and social status. It's a way for them to assert dominance and establish their place in the canine hierarchy. Fact number 12. Dogs have cooling mechanisms. Dogs have a unique way of regulating their body temperature, especially when things start to heat up. Unlike humans who primarily sweat to cool down, dogs release heat through their paws and panting. When a dog pants, moisture on its tongue and respiratory tract evaporates, taking excess heat with it. This is why you might see your dog panting heavily on a hot day or after exercise. Additionally, dogs have sweat glands in their paw pads. When they sweat through their paws, it helps lower their body temperature slightly. This cooling system is crucial for dogs as they can't tolerate heat as well as we can. It's important to keep them well hydrated and avoid excessive exercise in hot conditions to prevent overheating. Liking this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Fact number 11. Dogs are as intelligent as a 2-year-old child. Dogs are often hailed as one of Earth's most intelligent animal species. Their cognitive abilities are frequently compared to those of a 2-year-old child. This comparison is not just a testament to a dog's intelligence, but also highlights their remarkable problem-solving skills and emotional understanding. Like toddlers, dogs can comprehend about 165 to 250 words, gestures, and signals. They can follow simple commands, recognize familiar faces, and even grasp basic arithmetic. Additionally, dogs display social intelligence by understanding human emotions through facial expressions and tone of voice. One striking aspect of this intelligence is their ability to communicate their needs and desires. Dogs often use barks, whines, and body language to convey their emotions and requests, similar to how a 2-year-old child might use words and gestures to express themselves. Fact number 10. Service dogs are trained to go potty on command. Service dogs play a critical role in supporting individuals with disabilities or medical conditions. One aspect of their training is the ability to relieve themselves on command. This specialized skill enhances the independence and convenience of people who rely on these incredible canine companions. Service dogs undergo rigorous training that includes toilet training, among many other essential tasks. They are taught to respond to specific verbal or non-verbal cues from their handlers, allowing them to go on demand. This level of training is valuable for individuals with mobility issues or those who require assistance with daily activities. Fact number 9. Over 30 breeds of dogs have spots on their tongues. These spots are often referred to as freckles or points. They can vary in size, shape, and color. Breeds with spotted tongues include the Chow Chow, Dalmatian, Australian Shepherd, and many more. Interestingly, the presence of spots on a dog's tongue doesn't necessarily correlate with their coat color or patterns. Fact number 8. Dogs can detect seizures. Dogs possess an extraordinary ability to detect seizures in humans, often before they occur. This remarkable skill is rooted in their amazing sense of smell and their ability to detect subtle changes in body odor, behavior, and electrical activity in the brain. During a seizure, the body undergoes psychological changes and dogs can pick up on those alterations. They may become more alert, agitated, or exhibit behaviors such as pacing or whining. Fact number 7. Dogs have better night vision than us. Dogs possess a remarkable advantage when it comes to night vision. Their ability to see in low light conditions far exceeds that of humans. This advantage can be attributed to several factors. First, dogs have more rod cells in their retinas compared to humans. Rod cells are specialized cells responsible for low light vision. Dogs also have a structure called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the retina, enhancing the ability to see in dim light. Additionally, dogs have a wider field of view, allowing them to detect movement and objects in their peripheral vision more effectively. This enhanced night vision has its roots in their evolutionary history as nocturnal hunters and predators. Fact number 6. The oldest dog lived to 29 years old. The title of the oldest dog on record goes to Bluey, an Australian cattle dog. Bluey lived an astonishing 29 years and 5 months, making him a true canine legend. He was born in 1910 and passed away in 1939. Bluey's remarkable longevity can be attributed to good genetics, an active lifestyle, and the care and companionship he received from his owner. Fact number 5. Dogs can detect bad weather. Dogs can sense impending weather changes, particularly severe weather events. They can pick up on subtle shifts in atmosphere pressure, temperature, and even changes in the electromagnetic field. Many pet owners have reported that their dogs exhibit unusual behavior before a storm. This might include restlessness, anxiety, or seeking shelter. Some dogs can detect oncoming thunderstorms or even earthquakes before they happen. While the exact mechanisms behind this weather sensing ability remain a mystery, it's clear that dogs are attuned to environmental changes beyond what humans can perceive. Their reactions to bad weather events often serve as early warning signs for their owners. Fact number 4. Dogs use the magnetic field to navigate. Dogs possess an impressive sense of direction, and recent research suggests that they can use the Earth's magnetic field as a navigating aid. While the exact mechanisms are still being studied, dogs are believed to sense and align themselves with the Earth's magnetic field lines. This remarkable ability allows them to find their way home even when taken to unfamiliar places. The magnetic field navigation adds another layer to the mystery of how dogs perceive and interact with the environment. It showcases their unique sensory abilities and their deep connection to the natural world. Fact number 3. Dogs are being used to help detect cancer. Dogs have an incredible talent for detecting cancer, and this ability has been harnessed in medical research and practice. In one study, dogs were trained to detect prostate cancer with an astonishing 98% accuracy rate. In another study, dogs were trained to identify lung cancer through urine samples, and they demonstrated an accuracy rate of 45 to 73%. These findings highlight the potential for dogs to assist in early cancer detection. Dogs have also been successful in detecting ovarian cancer from blood samples and prostate cancer by sniffing a person's urine. Their exceptional sense of smell allows them to identify unique chemical compounds associated with cancer. Fact number 2. Dogs are not totally colorblind. Despite a common misconception, dogs are not completely colorblind. While they do not perceive the full spectrum of colors as humans do, they can see some colors. Dogs primarily see the world in shades of blue and yellow. They have 2 types of color receptors in their retinas, allowing them to differentiate between these 2 colors to some extent. This limited color vision is still valuable for dogs. It helps them distinguish between objects, detect movements, and identify certain color-related cues in their environment. While their color vision may not be as rich as ours, it certainly adds a layer of complexity to how dogs perceive the world around them. Fact number 1. Whiskers help dogs see in the dark. Whiskers are embedded in a grid of blood vessels and nerves that are incredibly sensitive to even the slightest changes in the environment. In low light conditions or darkness, these whiskers can detect nearby objects, obstacles, or movements by sensing air currents and vibrations. This tactical information is sent to the dog's brain, allowing them to feel their way around in the dark. It's an impressive adaptation that enhances their ability to navigate and make sense of their surroundings when their vision alone may be limited. Whiskers are another example of the remarkable sensory abilities that dogs possess. Dogs are truly remarkable creatures with many fascinating qualities and abilities. If you're a dog owner, take a moment to appreciate your furry friend's unique qualities and abilities. Spend quality time with them, engage in play, and ensure they receive the love and care they deserve. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Also, like and share. See you in the next one.